Okay, so good morning from Singapore. Got here at 3 a.m. And was shattered because that flight absolutely killed me. I got maybe 2-3 hours sleep. So had a little nap when I got to Singapore, but I mean, the view that I'm looking at right now is why Singapore probably has to be one of the best airports in the world. I'll just turn it around for you. Hopefully you can hear me. And can you imagine when that waterfall's actually going? It'd be insane. I have to say, this place is actually insane. Like, it's crazy, but I mean, that's what you get when you have such a massive airport with so many people coming through it. I mean, considering I'm not going into town today because I'm just that tired, just being able to walk around here for, I don't know, 6 hours, I should pass sometime, that's for sure. It's actually insane in here, like, just to think that this is not only an airport, but people just come here to shop. The thing is, it doesn't feel like a shopping center at all. Like, you feel like you're in a jungle, especially with the humidity. Like, it is hot and wet and humid in here, but it's insane. Like, I'm spending a whole day in here, and I think I could find new things to see every single time I do a different lap. I mean, there's literally a guy walking across that bridge up there, which is insane. And it's pretty busy, but hopefully once that waterfall comes, I should be able to get a slow-mo shot of it. just finished off in the Jewel and heading off to Terminal 2, I think, just to see what it's like there, and possibly at the T3. So I remember last time I was here, there was a cinema. So I'll see if I can waste some time on that. But you never know, it could have changed since, what was it, 2015, since I had a long stopover in Singapore. So let's see. After a long day of, well, long 25 hours of travel, I've made it to Kuching in Malaysian Borneo. It involved 3 flights, 15-hour stopover in Singapore, which was an experience to say the least. I was absolutely shattered, as you'll probably see throughout this vlog. And now just staying in this room literally across the road from the airport for tonight, and then my mum, who's traveling with me for 20 days this trip, is joining me. So I've just got to pick her up and pick her up tomorrow morning. So yeah, so far so good to the start of this trip. It just gotta see how it goes, but yeah, awesome. Oh yeah, and yeah, I will possibly see you tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll be doing these daily or if I'll do them on days that the more exciting things happen, but we'll see. Tomorrow might be a first impressions of Kuching, even though I've already been here, so it'll be second impressions of Kuching, how it compares to what I remember 8 years ago. So yeah, I hope to see you tomorrow or whenever the next video comes out, and yeah, see you.